Hello students, welcome to you in this video. Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. My name is Master Kamini. Today I am taking to Standard 1. My subject name is EVS. Unit number 3, that is food and water, continue. That in previous video we can explain that food and water. Now today I cover topic that eating time, eating habits and importance of water that contain in our lesson. So dear students, I hope you have to listen me carefully and so seeing this video very nicely. So let's start. This is your textual page that Cordova book EVS Term 1 Standard 1 that we have to previous video we can understood that food and water in only food portion we have to given you and we should eat food every day because of growing energy healthy strong. Okay, now which kinds of food we have to time we have to take eating time, not eat every each and every minute or every day. We have timetable or schedule of our eating time. So here first paragraph is that your eating time. We eat 3 meals in a day. Meals means खाना हम जो खाते हैं वो. We eat 3 meals in a day. We have breakfast in the morning. Here see the time. Here see the watch. Also I have to given you that which time we have to taken the breakfast. Means 7 to 9 o'clock. In between 7 to 9 o'clock you have to taken your breakfast. Nothing that you have to take breakfast from the 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Not, it is not good for health. We have breakfast in the morning, that is time of 7 to 9 o'clock. We eat porridge, idlis or sandwiches or breakfast. We should have a glass of milk or fruit juice with breakfast. In breakfast which kinds of we have to taking fruit, not like a dal bhat saag roti khichdi, not, because breakfast means heavy, not heavy, it's a light food that we have to eat with the milk or juice of fruit, anything or coffee, but not eat heavy food. See in the next slide which kinds of food we have to take in the breakfast. See here given the picture that if the non-vegetarian person there, they eat bread, eggs, omelets, etc. But the vegetarian people in a breakfast they eat sandwiches or fruits, juice, milk, biscuits, etc. So our first time eating timetable is that morning time, and that is your breakfast time, and we have eat 3 meals in a day. We have discussed about 1 meal, that breakfast in the morning, and timing is 7 to 9 o'clock. Okay dear students, now we have to second meals, that our lunch in the afternoon. In the morning breakfast, in the lunch afternoon. We have our lunch in the afternoon. We eat chapatis, rice, dal, vegetables and salads for lunch. We must eat fruit or a portion of meat after lunch. Means हमको क्या खाना चाहिए after in the lunch? Chapatis, rice, dal, vegetables and salads, like that. Not eat breakfast, lunch, breakfast taken not in a lunch time, or lunch is not taken in a breakfast time. This is the schedule of our daily life, that we have our lunch in the afternoon. We eat. आप डेली हम तुम्हारे शेड्यूल में खाना खाते हो ना, दाल भात साग रोटी कड़ी भात etc. Same here. We have our lunch in the afternoon. We eat chapatis, rice, dal, vegetables and salad for lunch. We must eat fruit or a portion of meat after lunch. खाना खाने के बाद हम फ्रूट खा सकते हैं थोड़ी देर में, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि each and every day we have to eat fruit, because the capacity of your stomach. And here the time is given that lunch time, that 1 o'clock means 12 to 2. 12 o'clock से 2 o'clock तक तुम लंच ले सकते हो. In between you have to take on your lunch. That you have to take lunch on 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. This is not good for your health. Here time is watch in time watch is given is that we have our lunch in the afternoon, that is time given 1 o'clock. I have to told you that 12 to 2. Okay, we eat which kinds of food we have to taken in a lunch: chapatis, rice, dal, vegetables and salads for lunch. We must eat a fruit or a portion of leaf after lunch. Here now next slide I have to given you that which kinds of lunch we have to taken in the afternoon. See, the time is also given that 1 o'clock we have to eat dal, rice, chapati, sabji, salad, papad, etc. We have taken in the lunch these kinds of food. Okay, dear students, see the picture clearly. At your home, you have to zoom the picture and see the clearly. Next, now this is your dinner time. We have discussed about breakfast time, that is breakfast in the morning, and taken the light breakfast. The second, we have discussed about lunch in the afternoon. We eat chapatis, rice, dal, vegetables, that is your heavy lunch in the afternoon time. Morning time 7 to 9. Lunch time 12 to 2. Now we have discussed about dinner at night. हम जो रात का खाना खाते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? Dinner. We have our dinner at night. Dinner should be light. खाना इतना हैवी नहीं होना चाहिए जो रात में नींद ना आए. Dinner should be light. We must avoid oily food for dinner. रात के खाने में तला हुआ खाना हम अवॉइड करना चाहिए क्योंकि इट्स वन काइंड्स ऑफ स्टमक पेनी एंड द प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट ऑफ एसिडिटी इन योर स्टमक. वी शुड ड्रिंक अ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क बिफोर वी गो टू बेड. सोने से पहले हमको ग्लास भर के मिल्क पीना चाहिए. दिस इज योर गुड एडवाइस फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स एंड ऑल द children and all adult person, that we have our dinner at night. Dinner should be light. We must avoid oily food for dinner. We should drink a glass of milk before we go to bed. सोने से पहले क्या पीना चाहिए? मिल्क. Okay, dear students, and we have to avoid oily food for dinner because it's create too much pain or problem for our stomach. And now next slide I have to given you the dinner time and which kinds of food that we have to taken in a dinner. See, dinner time that is your 8, but our regular or our Indian person take the dinner time 7 to 9 because 7 o'clock almost person 7 o'clock at 7:30 they have taken taken their dinner, and I have to given you the time that 7 to 9. But before 9 o'clock you don't take dinner because it's a painy for your stomach and also create big problem for their health. Now here given the time and see what kinds of food they given, that heavy, not heavy, just light, that roti, chapati ya curd, dahin, simple, not like a dal bhat, saag, rice, khichdi, kadi, not. Suppose you taken in a dinner idli sambar dosa, but you have to taken this before 8 or before 9 o'clock. Idli sambar dosa, you because of there are too much yeast and this is the create your problem in your stomach. So in dinner time you have to taken the light food. Now once again I repeat that we have to taken 3 kinds of meals in a day, that is one is your breakfast, second is your lunch, third is your dinner. Now breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. Now you in the next video I will send you the match the following also, that dinner you have to match with afternoon, night or morning, that you have to depends on you. I can explain you that dinner at night, afternoon in lunch, and breakfast in the morning. So very next video where I will given you or discuss with you, I will show you the match the following also. Okay dear students, now this is the we have to discuss about food. We all need food to live, and we should eat food which every day, but every day which kinds of food, and we how to take the food eating your our regular schedule of the timetable. Now we have to discuss about good eating habits. That here, good eating habits, how we have to habit of our food. This is your important part of your lesson, that wash your hands before and after every meal. खाने से पहले, खाने के बाद आपको क्या करना है? वॉश योर हैंड विद द प्रॉपरली. वॉश योर हैंड्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर एवरी मील. सेकेंड, देखो यहाँ रेड टिक किया है, क्लिक किया है. You can clearly see that red tick means it's a good habit. Means जहाँ cross, maybe whenever here the putting the cross, it is the not good for health or good habits. Later on I will discuss you that once. Number 1, wash your hands before and after every meal. खाने से पहले, खाने के बाद हमको क्या करना चाहिए? Wash our hands. Not only hands, we have to wash also our face, because the today we have suffered from severe virus in our country, in our state, that the coronavirus COVID-19. So each and every minute or each and every half an hour we have to wash our hands before and after meal, or when enter in outside the house, we have to enter in our home, we have to wash our hands and mouth also. Second, eat slowly and chew well. खाना slowly खाओ और chew well. Chew well means शांति से चबा के खाओ. Not swallow the food. खाना उतार नीचे निवाला उतार मत दो. Means eat slowly and chew well. Now third number, getting the cross, that is do not waste food. खाना waste मत करो. डाइनिंग टेबल पर इधर उधर गिराओ, प्लेट से बाहर, आउट ऑफ प्लेट. इट इज़ नॉट फॉर गुड. Do not waste food. Last picture is cut off that. Sorry for that. I will explain you. You have to listen me carefully, that do not overeat. Do not overeat. That is, it is also the content wrong. That खाना आपने खा लिया हो, कोई आपका फ्रेंड्स आपको फोर्स कर रहा हो, that is not good. डू नॉट ओवर ईट. आपको ओवर ईट खाना नहीं चाहिए, जो मुंह से भी बाहर आ जाए और पेट से भी कैरी सहन न हो सके, ऐसा खाना कभी नहीं खाना चाहिए. वी हैव टू ईट रेगुलर एंड प्रॉपर फूड विथ योर stomach capacity and your age capacity. Suppose you are the first standard student, that is your capacity of 2 chapatis, then you have to enough for 2 chapatis, but your friends, your mama will force you and you have to eat 4 or 5 chapatis. Then what is the reason? This is the overeating food, and you have to stomach paining, and sometimes it's vomiting also. So we have to eat regular and schedule of your eating habits, eating times. Okay dear students, this is the good eating habits. You have to 4 lines in your notebook, that how we have to eat good at. You have to write down the title, that good eating habits. Number 1, wash your hands before and after every meal. You have to don't draw this picture, you have just write down this given picture slogan. Eat slowly and chew well. Second number, eat slowly and chew well. Third number, do not waste food. Third number. Fourth number, do not overeat. Do not overeat. Overeat means खाना खा लिया हो, ऊपरा छापरी खाना बोलते हैं ना गुजराती में, सेम वे. खाना खा लिया, उसके बाद खाया मत करो. पूरे दिन किसी की घंटी चलती ही रहती है खाने की, वो मत करो. Same way. Now we have to discuss about later part of our lesson, that is important part in our lesson and in our life also, that is, see, water. Water is very important for all living things. All living things need water. We cannot live without water. Plants and animals also need water. Oh, if there is living person or living things need water, water and water. Here all living things need water. We cannot live without water. Plants and animals also need water. Water is very important here in our daily life. Also we need water. Without water we can't do anything. Here use of water, given the picture, see the picture also, and we must drink 6 to 8 glass of water every day. हमको कितने ग्लास पानी दिन में पीने चाहिए? 6 to 8. But you are the naughtiest children or very plain children, so you have to eat 9 to 10 also, because water is very important for in our life. Here use of water, we need water to do many things. We need water to do many things. कितनी सारी काम चीज करने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? Water. Look at the picture given below. Find out some use of water. See here pictures are given. Last picture is cut off, that I will explain you in our video. Here the picture is given and given the one line also, that use of water. First picture seeing that drinking. सेकेंड पिक्चर इज कुकिंग, खाना बनाने के लिए पानी चाहिए ही चाहिए. बाथिंग, नहाने के लिए. वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स, पानी पीने के लिए, खाना बनाने के लिए, नहाने के लिए और कपड़े धोने के लिए. इट्स अ मेजर यूज ऑफ वाटर, बट वेरी फ्यू, वेरी almost we have to use of water everywhere. So we have to not waste water. We have to save the water, because our earth contain too much water, but if we are wasting of that, there are lack of water. So all the students, it is most important notice that we must not waste water. We must save water every day. Water is a very important in our life, and all living things need water. This is the important chapter, important portion of this lesson. Now we have to discuss about from where we get water. Okay, we need water and we must drink water and use of water, but you know that from where we get water. Okay, now later I will discuss. See, we get water from rain, rivers, ponds and wells. We get water from rain, rivers, ponds and wells. See in the picture, rain, river, pond and well. इनमें से हम क्या मिलते हैं? इनमें से क्या मिलता है? We get from water. People in many villages and cities do not get enough water during summer. Rajasthan, like Rajasthan, in Rajasthan they are not get enough water during summer, but we have our duty that we have to supply there. So here too much big dam is given, built in given, and we have to supply the water from that country or that state, that they need the water. So people in many villages and cities do not get enough water during summer, but in our country or in our state we have to get enough water. But so why should we waste the water? Here line must given that we must save water every day. We must not waste water. Here the important lines of this lesson is that we must save water every day. We must not waste water. So dear students, you have to write down this. We get water from rain, river, ponds and wells. These four words, that rain, river, ponds and well. You have to draw this picture in your notebook and write down first line, that we get water from rain, rivers, ponds and wells. That you have to draw the picture of rain, second picture of river, third picture of pond, fourth picture of well in your notebook. Now next is your, see, HW time. Here write down the use of water in below each picture. I have to given the picture and you have to write down the homework that write down use of water in below each picture. First picture, what can you see that? Drinking. Second picture here, cooking. Third picture, bathing. Last picture is washing clothes. Here you have to write down only the picture's name in your notebook, not draw these pictures too. Next is homework number 2, that write down eating time and which from meal we take. Means कौन से टाइम को हमको कौन सा खाना लेना है, आपको वॉच के नीचे लिखना है. हियर द गिवन टाइम ऑफ 1 o'clock, दैट इज यू हैव टू राइट डाउन lunch in the afternoon. You have to write down this title from the given watch. Here one example is given. Next slide I will given you 3 watch and you have to write down the times and meals name. See, first picture of 7 o'clock, that is breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner at night. Okay dear student, this is your homework that you have to write down in your EVS notebook. Now we have to soon meet immediately with the textbook exercise and explanation of that exercise, question answers, and given you some extra worksheet from this lesson. Okay dear students, thank you.